So today I'm here in MadOut2, Big City Online. Now you guys can just download this on mobile, PC, anything really. And I'm gonna show you how to do kind of a glitch. Like I'm gonna show you how to, because usually when you steal a police car, you're gonna have stars, and stars are bad because like the cops are gonna come chasing after you. So I'm gonna show you how to get a cop car and be driving it and have no stars. This is kind of a glitch, and you might not get it first try, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So you just want to like steal a car or something. Steal a car. Get this car, say for instance.
Get out of here.
Let's get this car. Now you want to drive over, and you want to come. So you want to go and hit someone with a car, okay? Or you just want someone to come and like beat you up, okay? But you want to kill them, and then the cops will come after you. What's this? Just say this person. She doesn't want to come and fight me. Okay, look. Okay, the cops are gonna come. Sorry, you don't have to do that part. Okay, you want to run and wait for a cop car to come to you. You want a cop car to come to you, and you want the cop to get out the car. Then it will say like, what should we do? Put you in prison. You just press, okay, here we go. See, watch. They're gonna come, look at this. It's gonna say this. Okay, just press warning, get in the car. Right after you press that. Look, I have no stars, and I'm driving the car. So, is it a glitch, or is it just something you can do? I don't know if they're gonna patch this, so do it before they patch it, guys. Because it's a pretty cool glitch. Because I have no stars, as you can see. Anyway, wait a minute, I want to do something. Look at this. I love doing this. You go full speed, and you just go into here, and then press this, and you go flying out, and it does no damage. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you should try that. And if you don't have the app, download it. I hope this video doesn't get copyright because I never got permission. Okay, anyway. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.